Welcome back, traders. This is Al Mendez with Good Morning Forex, otherwise known as Lead Trader in the online Forex trade room. Today was a very interesting day, as we saw earlier in the morning as we opened the trade room. The Dow futures was up around 80 points, and actually we were looking forward to see where would the Dow be. Where would the Dow be? Where would the Dow be right before closing bell? As you guys know, today at 4, we have Ben Bernanke, federal chairman, will be on the mic. But we were betting where would the Dow be. I forecasted 150, and it seems here that looking at the Dow, I saw it a moment ago. It had it at 120, so it looks like I'll win that little bet. But yes, otherwise known as Helicopter Ben or Mr. Ben Ron, he will be speaking at 4 p.m. But nevertheless, guys, it made for a wonderful day of trading. Let's just jump into it right away. First trade was our euro-dollar trade. Our euro-dollar trade earlier this morning, as you can see, it stepped out of our Bollinger Bands. And we were actually waiting for this level of 139.20 to enter long positions on euro-dollar. And we patiently waited here in the office. We're all traders. Somewhere around 30 of us today. Actually, decent turnout. And amongst the other traders in the online room, we waited for that area of 20, which you can see we actually pulled the trigger around that area of 139.17. Most traders in the room here actually took that trade. I'm very proud of them. As you can see, eventually it did produce for us quickly, somewhere around 10-15 points, where we immediately started taking profits, which it did establish a high of 139.93. Somewhere around 85, I instructed all my traders here to start taking profits. It worked out and made out for a very decent trade. Again, very proud of my traders. Some of them are actually still in long. As you can see, they have a stop loss at 139.35 area, where I believe the high of our London session should be tested, which is at 4,000 for euro-dollar. Now, moving on, our euro-yen trade. Now this one was a little more tricky. We actually first, before the opening bell today, again the 13th of October, we actually took positions long at 113.98. Euro-yen did fall to the morning low of 113.87. Now we all had a fairly tight stop, and I instructed my traders to have a tight stop on this trade. So we did take a hit on our first attempt at euro-yen, but then we quickly re-entered around 90. And after the re-entry, we actually doubled up on one of our strategies that we like to perform here in the Good Morning Forex trade room. And we actually doubled up, and you can see that we did make a decent amount of points as our euro-yen tested our set of moving averages here. And so far, the high of our New York session is 114.36. All in all, traders made somewhere around 35 points of profit amongst other trades that were taken. This morning, on average, all traders walked away this morning with about 60 to 75 points of profit. Very nice day. I would say pretty much on average of what we produce here in the Forex trade room. But nevertheless, as I'm looking here at some other charts now, we are looking at euro-dollar, again, testing that 4,000 level. And we're looking forward to more very interesting entry levels towards our Asian session tonight. But you're more than welcome to join us every morning. You're more than welcome to join us every morning here at 7 in the morning. There is a link in the description below and how you can access our online room. And again, I wish you confident trades, traders. I'm going to get back to some of these trades here and then head out to lunch with the remaining traders in the room here. And well, I'm being called, so I'm going to go, guys. Have a great day. It was a decent day of trades. I'm going to say I'm looking forward to seeing you in the room. Again, this is Al Mendez with Good Morning Forex, known as Lead Trader. Have a good one.